private screening launch that we're having for family and friends for the Founders film, the Brighte episode. It was wonderful to have been picked, alongside the likes of really successful companies like Luke at SafetyCulture and also Mel Perkins at Canva and Fred Schebesta, CEO and founder at Finder.
Everybody usually starts a business because they care passionately about a problem that they want to solve, and Katherine's certainly an amazing example of that. It's wonderful to be able to showcase the Brighte Story.
About 3.4 million homes have solar in Australia. There are about 7 to 10 million that are solar suitable. So really, I really see it's just wide open green space. For us, as far as solar, governments are starting to mandate getting off gas. So what that means is homes have to be powered by electricity. And so people are just thinking of solar to offset their energy bill today, but the next phase is people need solar to power their whole home. We provide finance direct to vendors and customers. We're nearing $2 billion of applications from customers for sustainable home equipment. So we're at about $1,955,000,000.
It's great to have been able to have got that journey on film, and then hopefully it inspires other people to make that leap, whether it's working in startups or joining a startup or being a founder. Hopefully it just makes that decision that little bit easier.